Hi everyone. I'm going to finally do a Torrid video. It's mostly they had like the sale, like the 70%, and then at one point they were doing like 2 or 3. You got that special discount. So the prices that I paid aren't going to be the prices that are out now. Plus they're doing Torrid cash, so I got some pretty good deals. I only ordered shirts. I might be placing another order. The shorts are from Torrid. This is from Boss Cop. In case you're curious. Let's see. Oh yeah, put it here. I think I got this for $12.99. Something like that, or $9.99. I think it was $12.99. And I love Garfield. So this is it. What I'm going to do in the video, I'm just going to show you what I have, and I'm going to do a separate video to try on. All my videos get really long, and most people don't have the patience to sit through 15 minutes. So I bought it since I lost weight. No, I'm a broken record. I still bought it 2 because it didn't say relax. If you say relax, you're going to have to go down. I know I have to go down like 2. I'm usually at 2, my normal size. I have to go down to a 0 for the relax if you're like my measurement. I don't know now. I feel like I need to switch to 1s now. So this is it. And it's cute. It's the tag. Oh, they have the prices. Must have been the store one. It was in the USA. It was $39.90, and I got it. Then it was on sale for $32.98. So I got a pretty good deal, and I think I paid $12.99 for this one. Let me see that I write it down in the book. Sometimes I write it down. No, I didn't write this one down. Nope. I'm pretty sure with it. Now it's $19.99. So this is a really good. It's really soft, and it's a little bit on the relaxed side. I like it like that. I have my shirts out. I don't put them in, and I think you really like it. It's a real iron-on. And it's a 2. Well, I'm in between a 1 and a 2. Well, you know, not a 3. I was looking. I'm gonna try to put it up. What the model was wearing. It took to me is so photoshopped, and I hate that. I bought a white shirt last summer, and it was so transparent, and I got it, and I was like, it was more money to get the white, and it was so see-through. I only wear it in the house. I don't feel where it came with. This one's very lightweight, but it is soft. It's very soft. I usually don't buy red. I usually avoid. I don't buy too much red. Only recently, the last few years, I've been buying red, but I never bought a red T-shirt. So this is it. And this is called the Classic Fit, and it's a 2. So let's see. And I put it down. I put the original price. Oh yeah, these I think was $6.99. $6.99. The trail it is, but it has a little bit of a smell, so you have to clean it. They talk about Shein. Maybe I need to look at theirs too. I don't like that smell. I guess it'll wash out if you wash it good. It's soft. I mean, what they originally charged for these shirts, I don't know if there's one came with a tag. I think these are the ones that go on the table and they don't put tags. I think they're like $30-something, and they're not worth that. I don't want to rag on them, but it was, let's see, that bright shirt. No, they must have enough. This one I got recently, and this was originally done to him. I'm gonna link everything. I forgot how much I paid for this. This might have been $10 on sale. It's really soft. I like the sleeves. It's really cute. It's a dressy type of tee. It has a good weight to it. Usually their shirts are very thin. I might save this one for church. To me, it's a dressy tee. And this I wore in the 1 because it's flowy here. I would go down a size. If you're in between size, I would go. If I wore a 2, this would be swimming on. It fits really nice, and it's very soft. I highly recommend this one. I bought a few t-shirts that are similar. Which one was this one? I think I might have paid, I don't know if the black one was $6.90. They have, it's the same material but different styled a little bit. And this one's called, doesn't say inside, it just says Torrid on it. And this might have been I think it was $9.99 maybe. $6.99. It's a nice basic tee if you can see it. I'm sorry, my living room's very dark. I can put extra light, it's not really helping too much. It has a great weight to it. So this isn't like the classic tees, or I forget what you call the other one, signature one. Those are like paper thin. This is a good buy. At least this will last you. And I got these kind of t-shirts. I kept to a 2. And let's see what else I have. I'm gonna put you on pause. There's I think 2 more shirts, and I didn't bring them all with me, so I'll be right back. Okay. You know what's on the couch to agree with? Because I do have green shorts, and well, I guess it's more like an olive color. And this is a 2X also. And I know I definitely paid $6.99 for this one. Let me see what they were called. $6.99. Got a little wrinkle in the back. So this is the shirt. Hope you can see it good. It's just like the black one. So it has a very good weight. I highly recommend, and it looks nice on. Great with shorts, I think. So these shorts are a little bit on the short side. So I'm gonna style it up when I do the try on with my green. It's the same, similar color to this. So this will be the last shirt coming up. And how much did I pay for this one? This one was affordable. It might have been 10. Oh, $9.50. Plus you get the percentage because you have that certain status. I used to be a loyalist, but I'm not anymore. I forgot what they call it. I'm like the first one. The only difference, you get more money from each category you're in. If you're like VIP, I forget what you get. I think you only get 20. You get $20 off if you have the right numbers. I was a loyalist for years. They just took me off because I was stuck. Because I don't get paid to do these videos, so coming out of my pocket, so I had to cut back. I wanted, you know, my bill was high. So this is like a flow. It's kind of like a pebble like that, or a baby doll. I know it's a baby doll. And I love the print. I couldn't resist this. Probably this church too. Or date night. It's very soft. Does have elastic by here, so you got plenty of room. I bought a 1 to be on the safe side, and I'm glad I did it. 2 would be humongous. So if you're like 18, 20, get a 1. Because there's plenty of stretch in here. So I used to buy them in 2, and I always regret I have a black shirt this style, and I can imagine how big it is now since I lost about 23 pounds. So this is a great material, and it has a nice weight to it. So when you get it on sale like this, you always should wait for clearance. Don't even wait. Don't even wait for when it first comes out. Those people are crazy. I think they do it for the Torrid cash, but to me, Torrid cash is no a freaking scam anyway. They play a lot of games with it. You gotta remember, whatever the amount they give you, you have to spend half. So it's still gonna cost you money. Some people do videos like, oh, it's free money. It is not. So this is it with my video, and I'm gonna do a part 2 to this. I'm not gonna label it part 2. It's just gonna be the try on. So it's just easier this way, so I don't have to worry how much I'm wasting too much time. So please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. No pressure. I just really need it. My numbers have been, I'm lucky it went up to 418. So, you know, it's hard. If you don't get enough people, they're not going to show you video enough. So, Bye for now. I'm gonna do part 2 now. Bye.